Hi, this is Rashika from Team Shults, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up MyKey. I'm going to show you how to create a MyKey. Welcome to my passenger seat. So we're on the home screen and we're going to press Settings. We're going to select Vehicle, MyKey, Create MyKey, and we're going to get a confirmation, do you wish to create a MyKey, and select yes. So now the key that we've placed in the backup key slot location is going to be open to accept the driver restrictions that the MyKey program offers. And the next time the driver gets in the vehicle with that key, even if you're the driver, then these restrictions will be in play. I'm going to make it so the driver can't go faster than 65 miles an hour and that their do not disturb is on, so if they get any phone calls, they won't be able to go through and go directly to voicemail if they have the phone connected to the vehicle. And it's as simple as that. So now when you turn this vehicle off and back on using the MyKey, the restrictions are enabled. Thank you so much for watching.